they said? Every day a storyboard, right? It's nonsense if it's not fresh. My mind is complex. Now watch what I design next. Not worry about competition, no contest. This good process makes progress. Now watch this. I contain the contagious rain of hotness. You might get sick around me, so God bless. I run red lights, cause now I can't stop yet. This food for your soul, too much for you to digest. Get a diet. You think I'm lying? Don't even try it. Cause if it ain't from the heart, then I don't even write it. When I write it, then spit it, the crowd gets excited. Go get you some gigs and stop megabytes. Are you ready for the ride? Cause I'm driven in. Yeah, I'm afraid of heights, but the sky is the limit. And I rhyme with the vision of a guy up in prison. Cause I'm eager to get out and straight grind for my living. Pray to God, cause I'm thankful for the mind I was given. It's time to get it, so stop the pivot. I gotta move. Cruise like time and mission. Impossible, not time to lose. Because there's time to lose. The clock ain't waiting for no one. And life ain't patient for no one. Gotta stay on point, never take a day off. Going for the championship, but I never play off like, I know exactly what y'all thinking. Look, y'all probably like it's just another rapper. We don't wanna hear your boring quotes, but I've been recording notes since my mother's water broke. That was way before I spoke and no, this ain't no boring boast or some sort of joke. I just thought you ought to know. When I spit, it's water flow. Cause I'm pouring out my heart when I'm recording on the audio. I'm writing poems, yo. Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. Surprised I ain't write a movie yet. Your whole team couldn't play me, cause Q was next. You can't evict me out the game, I ain't moving yet. And I ain't tired, I don't need a substitution yet. Underground overachiever and I ain't losing yet. Heart of Martin Luther, future Malcolm X. Born to win, the L is not in my alphabet. Check, I got goals to reach, player. I gotta write these high notes so I can be major. Fly school graduates, peace haters. We keep grades up so they can't degrade us. And this music I got a hunger for. I write exclamation points, I don't wanna underscore. I take it overboard.